Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Runway ML or Runway Machine Learning, and I'm going to show you how to turn any video into crazy claymation just like this. This is the output. Here's the original video. This is just stock demo footage that they've got in Runway ML. A guy just getting ready to find a good wave and figure out how to pack a good bowl, and well, it turns into claymation. So how did we do it? Let's go from scratch, starting from the beginning. So runwayml.com. I'll put a link in the description. Sign up. It's free, and it is free. It's not nonsense. Or just log in if you've got an account like I do. And when you do that, you're going to see it right here at the beginning. It says Gen 1 video to video. Click on that. And when you do that, you're going to see the option to drag and drop files. So here's the two things you can do. You can either click on the demo assets if you just want to test it out and you don't have any footage, but in all likelihood, you've got some footage that you want to use. So I'm just going to go to Finder or your Explorer and just grab that footage. So for this one, I'm going to pick the most boring footage you can imagine. I've got like some real estate footage. So I'm going to drag and drop this real estate stuff in. Now, while that loads, keep in mind that it's currently restricted to 5-second segments. This is, I guess, just a Runway ML thing. That said, you can go over here and upgrade, and I believe you can get longer segments if you want to pay for it. But this is free, and again, it's restricted to 5 seconds at the moment. So there we go. We've got the most boring footage of a white, I guess, dining room or something like that, or kitchen or something, but whatever. Now, the next step, though,